In this video, I'll show you how to set alerts. So if you go to the left navigation menu, you can also do this on the mobile app as well, but I'll close this menu. You can see all your alerts in one clean location. You have all right here, and then you can actually set them by category. You have stocks, ETFs, crypto, events, and news. So we'll just take it from left to right, going one by one. When you add alert, you can see those options right here. And then you'll see the alert type. So with stocks, you can actually do price alerts, summary, score, MOS, and 4M. So let's just set a couple. We'll go price. In this case, I'm going to go, let's go, one of the stocks I hold is Fortinet. We'll click that. It shows this the share price today. So you know what you want to hit if you want it to go above that or below that. So in this case, I can see it's just about $60. Let's go 65. And that's a price alert. And then, of course, you can toggle them on and off. Let's go set another alert. So we'll go here. Let's go summary. So this is a situation where you can see the three different options here. You got on sale, watch, and overpriced. But when you select the stock, we'll go back to Fortinet again. All right, so it's currently on sale. So what this alert will do is it will notify us when it changes to watch or overpriced. So let's go to watch and we'll set an alert there. All right, we'll keep going here. All right, let's set a 4M score. So in this case, one stock I hold is NVIDIA. 4M score is 92 out of 100. Let's say I want to be notified when it hits 95 out of 100. There we go. All right, so those are a few stock alerts. If you go to ETF, your options here, you can set by price, summary, and score. With crypto, you can do price. That's the only option you have. Let's go BTC. Price target. Let's go. We'll go 75,000. All right. We'll go to crypto here. You can see that one's set. We'll go back to all alerts. Let's go to alert. Let's go to events. So what an event could be, and this was inspiration from a few customers asked for this, is let's say there's a date in the future you want just to be notified. It could be something's happening, such as maybe the Fed chair is having another announcement, or maybe there's a holiday or something going on. So in this case, let's say it's August 14th. You can add text, really anything you want. I'll just put text here and then set that alert. Again, it's just an event. It gives you context with what you put in that little text here, where I wrote text here. But anyway, this tool allows you to just set random events if that's something you're interested in. So a few customers wanted that. And then let's do one more. We'll go to news. What this is just gives you the next news update for whatever stock you want. So in this case, I want the next update from Apple. I might actually have this set already. Let's set it. Let's see if it kicks me out. No, it didn't. If you were to set the same alert, it'll let you know like, hey, you already have this alert. So, all right. So if any news comes out from Apple, I'm going to get notified immediately, which is great. So there you go. Alerts. It used to just be pricing. Now we added a whole lot more. So hopefully you guys like that feature.